pretty dope. Yo. Dang.
So come home, why won't you reappear? Things that I said came out totally wrong. Can't speak of the truth when it's tainted. I fell into a big black hole. It got me stone cold.
Yo, what is up? Just got this Toyota Tacoma 2015 off of the trailer. So now we're gonna rebuild it. Got not too much interior stuff to deal with. Mainly just airbags, obviously, both curtain airbags, center airbag, and then both of the seat airbags. Have to see how much those are. They're usually pretty expensive. Other than that, interior is in perfect shape. These seats are pretty nice. Got the whole back row here. A nice updated sound system. Got Bluetooth and everything like that. And then made sure got the 4-wheel drive and 2-wheel drive. So we got 4 high, 4 low, and 2-wheel drive, so we can get that good gas mileage, but also have the option to go into 4-wheel drive, which is gonna be awesome. And then we got some nice, you can turn off traction control, turn off RSCA, not sure exactly what that is yet. And then we got that, the inverter for the power outlet in the bed, which is awesome. That'll be super useful. Got heated seats, of course. But yeah, let's go to the engine. Woo. And on the outside, got the V6. Everything in the engine bay is pretty much perfect. Started taking some stuff off, but got AC line here, almost got hit, but that's was saved. I just tested it out and it is nice and cold, so that was all good to go. Pretty much everything in the engine bay was spared. Had to put a new battery in that, got that from Costco. Pretty good deal if you're looking for a battery. And yeah, everything's here. I believe this is a transmission cooler. I think I have to double check on that, but hopefully that is. Might need to upgrade that if we're towing a lot of big stuff, but we'll see about that. It's nice that they come stock though. And let's check out the back. Woo. Got a tonneau cover. Already came with one, which is awesome. I think if I was going to go for one, would be the one I would go for. Everything in the back is in perfect condition. This is a nice one where you can pop them up like that. This whole thing will fold up and fold out of the way. But yeah, other than that, bed is perfect condition. Got that nice outlet here, which will come in handy, and then these nice little spots for some straps and stuff, so that'll be awesome. And everything else on here is in perfect shape. Getting this fender off now, and this is kind of where the fender got crunched into. The door looks in perfect shape. Just need to figure out, the top has a little bit of a gap. I think it's just because the fender's kind of pushed in here, so hopefully once you get that out, maybe the door hinge needs adjusted a little bit, but that should be good to go. Door, other than that, wasn't touched, so we might not need to repaint that if we can get a perfect paint match, which hopefully we can. But yeah, and in this wheel, in the auction photos, you can see it was towed out a little bit. So we just need to figure out what that is, and then we can fix it. All right, starting to get things taken apart here. pretty simple taking everything apart. There's just, you know, screws and stuff. Just check everything. For this bumper, we had a screw through here, one down here, and then what else? There's a couple. Oh yeah, this thing, that one up there, down there, and then the two down there on those, and those go right under here. And then let's see, what else do we got? A few other stuff. Luckily this thing here just bolts on, so I don't need to weld anything on this one, which will be nice. And then this middle thing is even separate from this, it looks like. It just ends right here, so I don't even need to mess with that side. Just replace the middle thing. This thing we can probably bend back, it's not really too bad. This thing will definitely get a new little bracket there. That little plastic piece is kind of same as this. They're kind of expensive, they're like $8 for two, so I might just 3D print a quick one of those. Not too important, so should be a good task for the printer. And then this fender, got these, all the fenders that I've seen have the few bolts on the top up here, and then they kind of curl over this. And then this one has 2 bolts, or I think 4. There's 2 here, and then that's one of them, but then there's, yeah, as you can see, 4. And then on the underside, let me see if you can see it, there's a bolt there. And then as usual, there's a few bolts. I think there's one down here at the bottom, and then there's usually some on the inside of the door. There is on this one, but I think the way that this is crinkled, it's kind of blocking that, so I might have to cut a little hatch in here and kind of pull it out, or just pop the door off maybe. I don't know if I can get to those bolts though with this whole thing kind of in the way, so we'll have to figure that out. But so far can't seem to see any damage yet. Might be that this is, I can't really tell if that's bent, or the thing that I would suspect most would maybe be this thing up here, kind of the top of where the knuckle bolts into. Not too sure what's bent yet, but clearly something is, because the wheels aren't fully aligned. Or it could be something in the steering, not too sure. Maybe, I don't know if we can jump the steering maybe, I don't know. I mean, the wheel definitely got hit, so something definitely got bent or broken, but we'll have to take it off, see what it is. But other than that, we are pretty good. This is the little spot here that got hit, not too bad there. Kind of just brushed off there, it looks like. But yeah, the main bulk of the frame didn't really get touched at all. And as you can kind of see from here, the whole kind of top fender part is completely detached from the actual frame. So that did get hit a little bit here, and then this thing crinkled just a little bit here. But that part's completely separate from the actual frame, so that's good. So that means whatever we do cosmetically, this is cosmetic for the most part. Shouldn't matter too much because everything's pretty much bolted onto the frame. So as long as that's fine, we can fix our cosmetic things and we'll be good to go. Hi, this is pretty much need a tool, make a tool at Alex Steel. As you can see, this wonky looking thing to get off the antenna, as you can see, this silver thing here, that's the actual bolt, and so you have to get it at each corner. They make a tool for it, don't have the tool of course, so we're making it. Just took the top of this bolt and took an angle grinder to it. I first drilled a little hole in it just to hollow out the center a little, and then took an angle grinder to it. And now let's see how it works. It's still warm, so hopefully it doesn't matter, but hopefully it doesn't matter too much. We can just pop this thing off. Fits in there. Oh, might need to put that on the camera. Well, the tool is starting to work. I already have the fender pretty much unbolted, so the whole fender is trying to move on me now though. So I think I might just cut this out and then take it off in a vise. And then once we get the new fender, we'll use the tool and try it out. There we go. It's getting a little dark out here, but I just cut that straight out of the fender. Now I can get just a wrench on both sides, and it shouldn't be too hard to get that out. I was trying to avoid marring the nice surface there, but I mean, if you get a pair of vice grips on that, it'll probably just come right off. So yeah, I'll try with the tool, see if that works. If not, just get it off and get it ready for the new fender. And then as we can see now, we've exposed this area here, and you can see that we'll need to pull out, which isn't too bad. That's something we'll need to pull out, and that's something. But other than that, it's not really too bad. I mean, it's just, this part is mostly cosmetic, so it shouldn't be bad to do that. It's completely, let's see if we can, oh, we can't see that there, but I'll show that later. Completely kind of separated from this part, like the frame is completely separate. So makes it nice. The whole drive line should be good once we figure out what's towing this wheel out.
Stone cold since you left me here, so come home. Why won't you